Hello friends, myself is VK Singh. Today we shall talk about 30 very important questions of English. These questions are very important for UP CPAT, UP and CTET. So I request you, please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Let's begin. My first question is, which part of speech is the word ingenious? The correct answer of this question is third. This word is an adjective. Next question. The feminine gender of the word bachelor is. The correct answer of this question is second, spinster. It is the feminine of bachelor. Next question. Change the following sentence into negative. This boy plays football. The correct answer of this question is first. This boy does not play football. It is the correct answer according to tense. Next question. Change the following sentence into an active voice. The bird was killed by a cruel boy. The correct answer of this question is second. A cruel boy killed the bird. Next question. Fill the blanks with the correct form of pronoun. Rohan and space were present. The correct answer of this question is first. I is the pronoun. We fill there. Next question. Fill the blanks with the correct article. Neil Armstrong was space first man to walk on space moon. The correct answer of this question is second. The. We fill on both places the. Choose the correct sentence. The correct answer of this question is first. Please listen to your teacher. It is the correct sentence. Next question. Fill the blanks with the appropriate question tag. That hardly counts. The correct answer of this question is first. Does it? It is the question tag. Next question. Choose the antonym of the given word merciless. The correct answer of this question is first. Obscure. It is the antonym of merciless. Next question. Fill the blanks with the correct word. There aren't space mountain peaks in that part of the country. The correct answer of this question is second, many. We fill there many mountain peaks in that part of the country. Next question. Choose the synonym of the given word fortify. The correct answer of this question is fourth, strengthen. It is the synonym of fortify. Next question. Fill the blanks with the correct verb. An optimist thinks that all space will with the world. The correct answer of this question is. Third is the right answer. Do you know all is well? Next question. Choose the alternative which best expresses the meaning of the underlined idiom phrases. The judge turned down the plea of the accused. The correct answer of this question is second, rejected. Next question. Which of the following is not formative assessment? The correct answer of this question is first, turn in assessment. It is the answer. Next question. Fill the blanks with the correct word. Only people who are afraid to sign their name, comma, send space letters. The correct answer of this question is unanimous. First is the right answer. Next question. Choose the synonym of given word. Atrocity. The correct answer of this question is second. Violence. It is the synonym of atrocity. Next question. Find the correctly spelled word. The correctly spelled word is first. The correct answer is first. Embarrassment. Next question. Fill the blanks with the appropriate preposition. The examination will begin space Monday. The correct answer is fourth. We fill there on. The examination will begin on Monday. Next question. Change the narration. Rajesh said, I bought a car yesterday. The correct answer of this question is fourth. Fourth is the right answer according to tense. Rajesh said that he had bought a car the previous day. It is the right answer. Next question. Change the voice. Why do you waste time? The correct answer of this question is according to tense. First, why is time wasted by you? Next question. Which of the following is an example of simile? The correct answer of this question is fourth. As nuclear as crystal. It is the example of simile. Next question. Skilled reading is. The correct answer of this question is third. Constructive. It is the correct answer of this question. Next question. A good teacher is one who. The correct answer of this question is first. A good teacher is one who gives students ample opportunities to learn. Next question. Diphthongs are. The correct answer of this question is fourth. It is the double vowel sounds. Next question. Next question. Which of these is the best way to explain the meaning of a particular word? The correct answer of this question is second. Examples of uses in sentence. Next question. Home language is space in a natural way. The correct answer of this question is second. Acquired. Home language is acquired in a natural way. Next question. Which of the following is not true while teaching the learners in their mother tongue at primary level? The correct answer of this question is second. It develops self-confidence in the child. Next question. While teaching language to learners, a teacher should teach. The correct answer of this question is fourth. In an intergarden manner. Next question. An intonation may not be a space tone. The correct answer of this question is first, sliding. Next question. Which of the following is not form of a literature? The correct answer of this question is dictionary. It is not form of literature. I hope that you will like these questions. So I request you again, please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Please share it.